Beanbag dancing.
Hey guys, we're going to do some beanbag dancing. Now, if you don't have a beanbag at home with you right now, that's fine. Look around the place. See if you can find something that's also small, squishy, maybe a little teddy bear or something, and then you can put that on your head, on your shoulders, on your knees like we're about to do right now. Now, our first step is beanbags on our head. Now, whenever you put a beanbag somewhere, make sure you give it a pat, 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 so it's nice and flat. Otherwise, the beanbag might slide off. Now, with the beanbag on my head, you can see I'm standing nice and tall. I'm not looking down or around, and I'm not bending over like this with a banana back. Otherwise, the beanbag will fall all the way down to the ground. So this is our beanbag on our head, standing nice and tall without our hands touching. Now, number 2, we have our beanbags on our shoulder. Give it a pat, 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 so it's nice and flat. Great job. Now with beanbags on our shoulder, as you can see, I'm going to keep my shoulders down and a nice long neck. If I bring my shoulders up and try and balance it this way, then when I release, the beanbag might fall off my shoulder. So you've got to make sure I can see your long, long necks. Next beanbag move is beanbag on our knees. Now this is a tricky one. You may need to hold someone's hand or maybe hold onto the wall. That's absolutely fine. We're going to lift one leg off the ground very slowly and carefully and put the beanbag on our knee. Pat, 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 so it's nice and flat, and holding onto someone's hand or maybe to the wall so that you don't fall down. We're going to keep the beanbag up and hold it for 10 whole seconds. Once you've done 10 seconds, you can change to the other leg. Pat, 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 so it's nice and flat, and then 10 seconds on the other leg. Very tricky one. You might need some help with this one, but that's fine. My last beanbag step is my beanbag on my toes. So we're going to put it all the way down to our toes. Pat, pat, pat. Nice and flat. Now, holding out for balance, we're going to lift our toe slowly off the floor. Now lift our whole foot in front of us. And we're going to hold this one again for 10 whole seconds. Again, you can hold someone's hand, you can hold the wall so that you don't fall down. Once we've done 10 seconds, we can change. Next foot, toe slowly off the floor, then the whole foot, ooh, keep your balance. Hold it for 10 whole seconds. Very good. And those are all our beanbag steps. Great job.
Okay, now that you're a professional, let's do it with some music. Let's go.
Beanbag dancing with Declan. First, let's put our beanbags on our head and pat, pat, pat so it's nice and flat. Can you wiggle a little with your beanbag balancing on your head? Good job, guys. What about your beanbag on your shoulder? Such great balancing. What about putting your beanbag on your knee? Sounds tricky, but let's try it. Now pat, pat, pat so it's nice and flat, and let's count to 10 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Let's change legs. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, everybody. Let's put our beanbag on our toes. Lifting your toes up and lifting your leg off the floor. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Let's try the other side. Ready, everybody? Toes up and raising your leg off the floor. How high can you go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, good job. Well done, everyone.